In order to run a successful business venture, it becomes necessary that not only you create an elegant website, but also your website should be easily navigable as well as it should be unique in order to stand out among your competitors. Now let's look at some of the tools provided. Let's create a page. To create a new page, click on Add New Page tab. Enter a suitable page name and click on Save. I have successfully created a page. Now let's add some section. Let's add some banner and cover images. Now click on Add Image for Banner. You can upload an image, add an image from link, or you can add an image from the image library. Let's upload an image. You can see that the banner has been added. Now let's link this banner to a product. To do that, click on the banner, click on Link Image. Now link it to a product or service. Enter a product. Select the product. Finally, click on Save. Now whenever a customer clicks on a banner, they will be redirected to the products page. Now let's add some more sections. Again, click on Add Section. Now let's add some gallery images. Now let's add some images. Again, upload image. Let's add some more images. Now if you want to edit the images, click on Edit next to that image. If you want to view the image, click on View Image. You can see the image preview. If you have multiple images and would like to sort it, click on Sort Image Gallery. You can sort them as shown. Now if you want to edit the image preview, again click on Edit. Click on Edit next to the image thumbnail section. Click on Save. You can see the image thumbnail has been updated. You can preview the image as shown. Finally, click on Save. Click on Save. You can see that the image preview has been updated. Now if you want to edit the images again, you want to add some styling, click on Change Styling. You can add some borders if you like. Before that, let's edit the border width. Let's add some color. Let's add some radius. The higher the number, the more curved the image will look. You can add SEO details for the images as well. Now let's add some more sections. Let's add a video block. Now click on add new video. Let's add a YouTube link. Enter the link. Add a suitable video title. After entering the details, you can click on save. Click on the play button. You can see that the video is playing. Now if you want to edit the video, click on edit. You can play the video as shown. If you want to edit the video, click on the edit video option. Edit the details and click on save. If you have multiple videos, you can sort them here. Now let's add some more sections. Let's add some layouts. If we want to showcase some accessories such as jewelry, let's select this one. You can see that the layout has been added. Now apart from images and layout sections, you can add some service related sections as well. Click on amenities and services. Let's add some services. Here you can add the service name. You can add the service description as shown. Click on save. Let's add some new services. If you want to edit the services, click on edit. If you want to sort them, click on sort services. You can sort them as shown. If you want to delete a service, click on this button and click on remove. Finally, click on save. You can see that the services have been updated and the unwanted one has been deleted. Now apart from the sections, you can even customize your header as well as the footer present below. Now let's add some color to the header. Apply. Similarly, you can change the color for this section as well. Click on apply. Similarly, you can change the color for the footer as well. Click on change color next to the footer. Select a color footer of your choice. Click on save. If you want to edit the text, click on edit. Click on edit text. You can see the various options get displayed. You can change the font of your choice. It can be bold, italics, underline, so on and so forth. You can add even text color. Let's change the color. Notice how the color is been changing. Click on apply. Now apart from customizing the sections as well as the header and footer section as well, if you want to add a theme, you can do so by clicking on more. Select the themes option. Now search a category in this box. If you want to see a preview, click on the preview button. You can see the preview as shown. Let's select a theme. Now if you want to apply this theme, click on the apply theme button. It will ask you whether you want to change the theme. Click on change theme. You can see that the theme has been applied. Now if you want to edit the page, click on this button next to that page. If you want to rename that page, click on the rename option. Rename that page and click on save. If you want to duplicate that page, you can click on duplicate. If you want to provide some permissions to that page, you can click on permission. Here you can decide which customers can access your page. Now if you want to add some SEO details, you can do so by clicking on SEO. Hence, with the tools provided by Omni, you can create a unique website which could help you in promoting your business venture to potential customers. Thanks for watching. We hope that this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, you can comment below or contact our customer support team. For more videos, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for further updates.